Putin sworn in as Russia's president, but not everyone's happy. Outside the lavish Kremlin ceremony, thousands of riot officers were called in to deal with fired-up protesters. The 59-year-old's ruled Russia since 2000, first as president and then PM. Once dubbed the Playboy Prince, Harry's now being recognised for his charity work. The young royal's been presented with an humanitarian award in Washington. His efforts with groups like Walking with the Wounded and Help for Heroes. And still stateside, the CIA has fought an underwear bomb plot. Al-Qaeda had been planning to destroy a plane headed for the US using a suicide bomber's underwear. It was an improved version of the device that failed to detonate in 2000.